Thank you for purchasing an MI Windows and Doors product. We hope you find these instructional videos helpful. Please understand that these videos have been developed to assist the do-it-yourselfer perform minor repairs to their window product. These do not supersede any of the manufacturer's written instructions or warnings. Please refer to our Warnings and Precautions Guide located on our website before attempting any repair.
In this training session, we're going to show you how to change a picture window glass. The tools needed would be a plastic-headed hammer. If you do not have one, you can substitute it with a steel hammer and a block of wood. A wood chisel, putty knife, utility knife, suction cup, and duct tape. Also, for safety purposes, you would need safety glasses, safety gloves, and safety arm guards. When changing a picture window glass, and that would be just the glass out of this mainframe, unlike a window that would have a sash, I'm going to show you how that's done. First of all, in the event this window would be cracked, you'd want to take duct tape and tape over the crack for safety reasons. That way the glass it'll secure the glass in place. First thing you would do is take a chisel or a flat screwdriver and remove the glazing bead. You'd start with the side piece first, placing the chisel between the bead and the mainframe, and give it a twist. You get it started. You can remove that bead. You would do the same on the other side of the window, using the chisel again, prying the bead out, and removing it. Go to the bottom next and do the same thing, removing the bottom piece of bead. Now, because this is a picture window and we're going to have to cut the glass free on the outside of the unit, we're going to leave this beadwork in place. Or you could remove a portion of it, but you need to leave a portion of the bead in place to hold the glass in, because we're going to go to the exterior and cut the seal on the exterior of the window. At this point, you need to cut the seal free between the glass and the vinyl on the exterior. You can do this using a putty knife or a utility knife. You want to be careful always to cut away from yourself when doing this. You place the utility knife in that you can cut that tape seal or sealant in between the glass and the vinyl. Because of the size of this unit, I'm going to use a suction cup to assist me in lifting it out of the frame. What we want to do is remove the last piece of bead now. Do that again by taking the chisel, twisting it, and getting the bead started, removing the bead. And remember now, you want to have a hold of this glass. We did cut it free on the outside, but it could fall to the inside. You want to make sure you have a hold of it. At this point, you would lift the glass out. In the event one of these setting blocks would come out with the glass, you want to make sure you put it back into place. You should have at least 2 or even 3 setting blocks on the bottom to set the glass panel, the new glass panel, onto. It keeps it raised up off the vinyl shell. Once the glass is removed, you need to clean the old sealant off the vinyl surface. You do that again with a chisel. Works best, a chisel, a putty knife. You need to get this material removed before resealing it for the new glass. Now that you have the surface clean, you have all the old sealant cleaned off, you need to apply a new sealant. Be sure to choose a sealant at your hardware store that will adhere to the glass and the vinyl. What you want to do is apply a bead, a generous bead, all the way around the perimeter of the frame. This will seal the glass to the vinyl. Now you're ready to reinstall the new glass. Upon reinstalling the new glass, you want to be sure to set the glass on the setting block and center the panel left to right and place it back into the opening. Making sure it's in contact with the vinyl flange all the way around. You just reapply the beadwork into place by using a plastic headed hammer. Once the top's in, you can go and apply the bottom next. And one of the sides. Just tap the vinyl into place. Once you get it started, the glazing bead, tap it into place. And that completes the process of changing picture window glass.